Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for VTU exams. Start by understanding the VTU exam structure and syllabus in detail. This foundational step is crucial for effective preparation. Next, develop a personalized study timetable, allocating sufficient time for each subject and topic. Remember to be realistic with your schedule, ensuring it's sustainable. Finally, prioritize your study material, focusing on high-weightage topics and those you find more challenging. This strategic approach will maximize your study efficiency. When studying, prioritize a deep understanding of concepts over rote memorization. This approach ensures you can apply knowledge effectively. Dedicate significant time to practicing previous year's question papers. This helps you understand the question patterns and time management. Additionally, create your own concise notes for each topic. These personalized summaries will be invaluable for quick and efficient revision just before your exams. Effective time management is key to success. Allocate specific, uninterrupted time slots for each subject every day. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions. These help prevent burnout and maintain high levels of concentration. Crucially, aim to revise all your covered topics a minimum of 3 times before the actual examination. This multi-stage revision process solidifies your understanding and recall. On exam day, begin by thoroughly reading all questions before you start writing. This ensures you understand what is being asked and can plan your responses. Allocate your time judiciously across all sections of the paper, ensuring you attempt every question you can. Finally, present your answers clearly and legibly. A well-organized and readable answer sheet can significantly contribute to achieving higher scores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.